Daily Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meanings. December 21st, 2022. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. One outburst, noun.
इजहार जज्बात, भड़क उठना.
A sudden occurrence of a particular activity. Example, a wild outburst of applause. To benefactor, noun.
माली ताउन करने वाला, मददगार, मोहसिन.
A person who gives money or other help to a person or cause. Example, a low-interest loan from a benefactor allowed them to build a floor for the exhibition hall. 3. Hubris, noun.
इंतहाई खुद एतमादी, घमंड, गुरूर.
Excessive pride or self-confidence. Example, the self-assured hubris among economists was shaken in the late 1980s. 4. Skeptical, adjective.
शक करने वाला, शक्की.
Not easily convinced, having doubts or reservations. Example, the public were deeply skeptical about some of the proposals. 5. Desperation, noun.
मायूसी, बेआस.
A state of despair, typically one which results in rash or extreme behavior. Example, she wrote to him in desperation. 6. Tirade, noun.
धुआंधार तकरीर, तंजिया नज़्म, तवील तकरीर.
A long, angry speech of criticism or accusation. Example, a tirade of abuse. 7. Vent, verb.
निकास. हुआदार. रास्ता. मनफ्स.
Give free expression to, a strong emotion. Example, we vent our spleen on drug barons. 8. Speculation, noun.
कियास आराई करना. सट्टाबाजी.
The forming of a theory or conjecture without firm evidence. Example, there has been widespread speculation that he plans to quit. 9. Tacit, adjective.
खामोश. चुपचाप.
Understood or implied without being stated. Example, your silence may be taken to mean tacit agreement. 10. Ambiguous, adjective.
मुबहम, मशकूक.
Open to more than one interpretation, not having one obvious meaning. Example, ambiguous phrases. 11. Unrelenting, adjective.
सख्त, मुस्तकिल, संदिल.
Not yielding in strength, severity, or determination. Example, the heat was unrelenting. 12. Scathing, adjective.
सख्त तनकीद, सख्त अजियतनाक.
Witheringly scornful, severely critical. Example, she launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister. 13. Harangue, noun.
वलवला अंगेज, जोरदार आवाज से बोलना.
A lengthy and aggressive speech. Example, they were subjected to a 10-minute harangue by 2 border guards. 14. Stalled.
मंतकी अंजाम होना / आयद करना.
To bring something to have a stand still to stop functioning. 15. Erode, verb.
काट देना, खत्म कर देना, कम होना.
Of wind, water, or other natural agents, gradually wear away, soil, rock, or land. Example, the cliffs on this coast have been eroded by the sea. 16. Conversant, adjective.
माहिर, वाकिफ, आगाह.
Familiar with or knowledgeable about something. Example, you need someone who is conversant with the new technology. 17. Mutiny.
बगावत.
An occasion when a group of people, especially soldiers or sailors, refuses to obey orders and or attempts to take control from people in authority. Example, a mutiny by those manning the weapons could trigger a global war. 18. Quell, verb.
कुचल देना, मिटा देना, कम करना.
Put an end to, a rebellion or other disorder, typically by the use of force. Example, extra police were called to quell the disturbance. 19. Outlandish, adjective.
बेतिक्का, बेडेनिगा, अजनबी.
looking or sounding bizarre or unfamiliar. Example, outlandish, brightly colored clothes. 20. Perilous, adjective.
खतरनाक, खौफनाक.
Full of danger or risk. Example, a perilous journey south. 21. Widen, verb.
चौड़ा होना, कुशादा करने का अमल.
Make or become wider. Example, we should widen the scope of our investigation. 22. Defamation, noun.
बदनामी, रुसवाई, बुहतान.
The action of damaging the good reputation of someone, slander or libel. Example, she sued him for defamation. 23. Frail, adjective.
कमजोर, लागर, गुनाहगार.
Of a person, weak and delicate. Example, his small, frail body. 24. Reckless, adjective.
आखिबत नांदेश. लापया. बेपरवाह.
Heedless of danger or the consequences of one's actions, rash or impetuous. Example, you mustn't be so reckless. 25. Anomaly, noun.
बेजाबित. बेतरतीबी. बेकायदगी.
Something that deviates from what is standard, normal, or expected. Example, there are a number of anomalies in the present system. 26. Simultaneous, adjective.
बैक वक्त, एक साथ, एक ही वक्त में.
Occurring, operating, or done at the same time. Example, a simultaneous withdrawal of troops. 27. Cumbersome, adjective.
बोझल, भारी, वजनी.
Large or heavy and therefore difficult to carry or use, unwieldy. Example, cumbersome diving suits. 28. Coercion, noun.
दबाव, जोर.
The practice of persuading someone to do something by using force or threats. Example, our problem cannot be solved by any form of coercion but only by agreement. 29. Triggered.
मुतहर्रिक करना / मुतहर्रिक किया.
A lever on a gun that you pull to fire the gun. Something that causes something else to happen. 30. Plethora, noun.
फरावानी. बुहतात. शिद्दत.
A large or excessive amount of something. Example, a plethora of committees and subcommittees. 31. Lynch, verb.
मारपेट, कानूनी इख्तियार के बगैर किसी को जान से मारना.
Of a group of people, kill someone for an alleged offense without a legal trial, especially by hanging. Example, her father had been lynched for a crime he didn't commit. 32. Reactionary, adjective.
खदामत पसंद, लकीर का फकीर, रजत पसंद.
Opposing political or social progress or reform. Example, reactionary attitudes toward women's rights. 33. Stranded, adjective.
घिरा हुआ, फंसा छोड़ देना.
Left without the means to move from somewhere. Example, she offers a lift to a stranded commuter. 34th. Hiatus, noun.
खलल, नक्स.
A pause or break in continuity in a sequence or activity. Example, there was a brief hiatus in the war with France. 35. Reticent, adjective.
कम गोई, खामोश.
Not revealing one's thoughts or feelings readily. Example, she was extremely reticent about her personal affairs. For more upcoming videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.